welcome. I'm back in Egypt at the Red Sea Hotels complex in Hurghada. So I'm stood outside the Grand Palace, and as you can hear in the background, it's lunchtime prayers. So the call to prayer is active from the mosque just down the road. So we are going to walk in the other direction and head south along the pedestrianised strip. No cars are allowed on this section. So as you can see, it's quite a modernised area. We're starting off with nicely tended vegetation, grass outside this bar and cafe. We have a couple of nice resorts and some local shops spanning both sides of the road. Down the middle of the road, down the middle of the path even, is this randomly covered walkway. I suppose it allows you to get a little bit of shade for a couple of minutes if you want to stand here and cool down. We also have a fountain which is currently not working. Looks like it's in the process of being repaired. Some nice colourful buildings here in Egypt. Very nice contrasting shades, especially on the bazaar over there. And then we have a very nice colour on the outside of this hotel complex here. A nice Egyptian cream, if you want to call it that, on the Grand Mall, which is a nice indoor shopping mall. Not going in there today, however. I might go in there tomorrow. So as you can see, we do have a varying amount of sculptures and artworks around this area, and I'll be showing them to you as I walk down the strip. So if you want to stay here and see what's going on, then let's continue. So as many of you know, or some of you probably don't know, I work for an airline as crew. So I come to Egypt sometimes for a few days at a time. On this particular trip, I'm here for 3 days, which is a rarity. And there's only one flight back to the UK that I can cover today on my standby this evening. So hopefully that will go without a hitch. And then I can show you some of this area, what it looks like during the night. Believe me, the contrast is quite unreal comparing daytime to nighttime. It might seem quiet now, but just wait until the sun goes down. All the bars open, and the shops, the evening shops, and the cafes and restaurants, and you'll see quite a change. So there's quite a lot of construction going on in this area at the moment. Lots of new hotel complexes being built, especially on this side of the road, on the left hand side, and that's where we're going to cross for a few minutes to show you what it looks like on the other side of the road. So let's go. So as I mentioned in my previous video, the road and the pathway is segregated by parking. The road on this side heads south and the pathway is multi-directional. If you want to head north, you have to be on the other side of the buildings, on that side of the road. So as you can see here, there used to be a building of some description that's been demolished. It's now just a graveyard for everyone's general waste, by the look of things, which is quite sad. But then in the background, if you can see it from here, you have great view of the ocean. There we go. Nice and clear colour on the ocean. Very nice day for exploring. Let's continue down the road, see what happens. So I don't really see many videos from Hurghada these days. I think it's a place where a lot of people will just come here and stay in their resorts. Some people do like to explore, like me. I mean, it's good for families. If you want a family resort, which is nice and safe and has great nightlife around it and great facilities, then the southern end, well, pretty much all of Hurghada is a good place to go. So here, as you can see, the building, a brand new apartment complex on the other side of the road. Still under construction. I think it opens either at the end of this year or the beginning of next spring. I can't really read Arabic. I can speak some, but not much. So it looks like this is an old hotel here. From what I can gather from the locals, they are in the process of completely rebuilding this. It's going to be, I think it's going to be condos, or holiday apartments, eventually when they get around to building the new construction. And there we go, a Guardian's property investment. So they do quite a lot of construction around here. There's quite a lot of apartments and hotels being built on this area of the strip. Now, the road does have a name on the tour guides page, which I can't exactly remember what it is at the time of speaking to you. However, you should see some text popping up on the screen any second now with the actual road name, so you know where to look. Basically, you are at the southern end of Hurghada. You can walk here from downtown. It might take you an hour, but you can walk here from downtown. And it's quite a nice relaxing walk actually. So if you stick to the right hand side over there, it's pedestrianised for the entire length. No cars allowed. And it's quite a nice walk. You will occasionally have the locals coming up to you, offering you cheap price, fixed price, clothing, t-shirts, perfume. You can say no thank you, or you can have a wander, go and see what they're offering. So if you want to say no thank you in Arabic, which is more polite I think, then you say la shukran. And if you just want to say thank you, it's shukran. Quite a nice phrase to remember. So we are going to cross back onto the other side of the road. I was just going to show you what it was like on the roadside for a short distance. Now we're going to go back onto the pedestrian side. Let's see what happens. Now those of you that know me from back home, those of you that are friends with me, will know I like my energy drinks. I'm a big fan of Red Bull and also Monster. And that is in plentiful supply here. Just about every single shop that sells drinks will sell Red Bull. Not so much Monster, but different varieties of Red Bull. And they are very, very cheap. Normal can of Red Bull, 100 Egyptian pounds. The conversion rates for that are on the screen in front of you. Let's just let this car past. And now we are back onto the northern half of the strip. That's it for now. You've seen my video from this area in one of the other videos I did in Hurghada. Feel free to have a look, and I will speak to you again later.